Hi, through this video we are going to discuss inheritance. Inheritance is an important OOPS concept in Java programming language. Inheritance, which is used to inherit a data from one class to another class. So we are inherit from parent class to child class. We can inherit a data through an object. We can access all the properties which is created inside the parent class. You can access all the properties through object. So here we have five type of inheritance. One is a single inheritance, another one is multi-level inheritance, the third one is multiple inheritance, and fourth one is hierarchical inheritance, and fifth one is hybrid inheritance. There are five inheritance are there. When you are creating a class, the first class, how you are creating a class, you can create a class through class keyword. You can use class and you can give you a class name. When you are creating a class, you can create n number of classes, and through the child class you can access the parent class details and parent class function which is already created inside the parent class. You can access the function and properties of the parent classes. So for that we need to connect with between the two classes, so that we need one keyword called extends. So extends keyword which is used to connect between the classes, and you can inherit a data through the extends keyword. You can inherit a data from parent class to child class. In single inheritance we have only one parent class and one child class, and multiple inheritance you can use two super classes and one subclasses, and multi-level inheritance you can create one superclass and one subclass. In between superclasses and subclasses you can create n number of intermediate classes. And hierarchical inheritance, one superclasses and more than one subclass, I mean the child class. So these are all the types of inheritance. In Java, multiple inheritance does not support. Why it is not supporting? Because it is creating dynamic problems. So what is dynamic problems, we will discuss in the next video. When you are going to discuss about interface, I will explain why the Java does not support multiple inheritance. So here we can use the three main inheritance in Java: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. Single inheritance, as I said earlier, one superclass and one subclass. Multi-level inheritance, one superclass, one subclass. In between the superclasses and subclasses, the superclass and subclass, you can create n number of intermediate classes. And hierarchical inheritance, one superclass, more than one subclass. So you can uh, inherit a data, inherit whatever data you were created inside the parent classes. You can access all the data inside the subclass. So how you are, when you are creating the object, so what class you are created as last in the last classes, which class you are created as last, for that class you can create an object. Through that class you can access everybody, because already you inherited your data from one class to another class, and finally you are going to create a object for the child class. So the multi-level inheritance, there is only one child class, and a single inheritance there is only one child classes. It is object you can create for one classes. When you are using the hierarchical concept, there are more than one subclasses you want to create. So when you are using the more than one subclasses, the hierarchical, when you are using the hierarchical inheritance alone, you are going to create two objects, one object for one subclass and another one object for another subclass. Since it is more than one superclass is needed, subclass is needed to access hierarchical inheritance. So these are all the basic concept of inheritance. Through the next video, I will explain along with the example. So to create a single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance, and why Java not supporting multiple inheritance. So another thing you have to know about the implements. So in Java, object-oriented programming in Java alone, we are using two keywords which is used to extend a data from one class to another class. One is extend and another one is implement. Extend, we are using one class to another class, we can use extend, and where we want to use implement and how it will access and how to create the interface classes, why Java does not support multiple inheritance. The all other things we will discuss in the next classes. Thank you.